In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or turn off push to talk in Discord on PC. If you want more control over when Discord picks up your voice, push to talk is a very useful setting. When it's turned on, Discord will only transmit your microphone audio while you hold down your assigned key. When it's turned off, Discord can use voice activity instead, which means it will detect your voice automatically. This can be helpful depending on whether you want more privacy, less background noise, or a more hands-free experience. To get started, go to your Discord dashboard on your PC. Make sure the Discord app is open and that you're on the main screen where you can see your servers, chats, and profile area. This is the starting point for accessing your account settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the bottom left area of the screen. Next to your profile, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open user settings. This section is where Discord keeps many of your personal app preferences, including audio and microphone controls. After the settings menu opens, find and click on Voice and Video. This is the section where Discord lets you manage your input device, output device, microphone behavior, and other voice-related features. If you're adjusting how your microphone works during calls, this is the exact place you need to be. In the voice and video settings, look for the push to talk option. If push to talk is currently turned off and you want to enable it, toggle it on. If it's already on and you want Discord to stop requiring a key press before picking up your voice, toggle it off. The setting changes immediately, so once you switch it, your microphone behavior will update right away. If you decide to use push to talk, it's a good idea to make sure your chosen key is comfortable and easy to reach while gaming, chatting, or working. If you turn push to talk off, keep in mind that your microphone may pick up extra room noise. So checking your input sensitivity can help improve audio quality. And that's all it takes to turn push to talk on or off in Discord on PC. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference in how you communicate.